Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update student loan interest deductions with Nelnet tax statements step by step clearly. Start by gathering your Nelnet tax statements for the current tax year. Log into your Nelnet account using your credentials. Navigate to the Documents section on the dashboard. Look for the option labeled Tax Statements or similar. Select the appropriate year for the tax statements you need. Download the tax statement, ensuring it is in a format you can easily access, like PDF. Open the downloaded tax statement to review the interest details. Locate the section specifically for interest paid on student loans. Take note of the total interest amount listed. If you need to make any adjustments, prepare your tax software or tax forms for entry. Enter the interest amount into the designated field for student loan interest deductions. Follow the prompts on your tax software to ensure you complete any additional required fields. Review all information entered to ensure it is accurate and complete. Save your progress within the tax software to avoid losing any changes. Once verified, proceed to file your taxes as per the software instructions. Keep a copy of the Nelnet tax statement for your records after filing. Monitor your tax return status through the software for any updates. Consider consulting a tax professional if you have any questions or uncertainties about deductions. This process ensures that you accurately reflect your student loan interest on your tax return. Stay organized by keeping all related documentation in a secure location for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.